Hi, I'm Muhammad Ismail, CEO of PropNext. In fact, once in a while I do put up updates on the latest property investment and good buys. Today I'm very honored to give you an update of the real estate market. In fact, towards the year end, tail end, the last 4 months. The $1,000,000 question here is should one invest in a property right now, or should we even wait after the results of the election, when many of us are excited about? But to me, election is just a process that it will be over, we sleep over this weekend and life goes on. Despite whether election who wins or who do not win, put it this way, good product, rightly priced, right location sells. That's the key. In fact, we witnessed that at the beginning of this year, in first quarter, North Park, a development in the outlying area. Just because it comes with a little bit of integrated, it sold so well, more than 600 units within a month. And 2 months back, we are talking about another product, High Park, within 48 hours, more than thousands units were sold. Why then such properties sell with all the cooling measures in place? Main reason here is this: we must understand that today it is a buyer's market. And what is the advantage of a buyer's market? In a buyer's market, the developers are sensitive to the pricing, and therefore they make their margin low in terms of profit and price it attractively. And when the properties are priced attractively, the rental yield goes up. Therefore, you're at entry level, you're buying at a discounted price, and the rental returns are stronger. And with that, in long term, you tend to enjoy a greater capital appreciation. Therefore, I just want to take it as a snapshot. This is a buyer's market. We have to understand that. Therefore, right product at the right pricing. And looking at this for the rest of the year, in the next 4 months, I think there's one particular product that is going to stand out from the rest. Probably this may be the best seller for the second half of the year. And this product is known as PrincipalGarden. And then you can see that at the sandcastle, some of my people who are really actively involved, excited about this particular product. And no doubt the background is a sea view. PrincipalGarden does not enjoy a sea view, but it is going to come with the river view that leads you all the way to the Singapore River by the park connector, and that's exciting. But what is more exciting about PrincipalGarden here is this: it is the development by a reputable award-winning developers, UOL and King Leong, and the architect 61, also another award-winning, coupled with the landscape architect. All three are award winners. What's so important? Most development, they do not have a key concept to anchor, but in PrincipalGarden, unbelievably, 80-20 rule. In fact, all the footprint of the building structures are only confined to 20% of the land area, while 80% is landscape to a lifestyle, and that's unbelievable. Therefore, you are going to a place that is really nature, and that's a very strong point. And not only that, the surrounding areas are, in terms of very rich, good class bungalows, low-lying, and therefore you got a lot of unblocked view. Coupled with, it is located minutes to Tanglin, less than 5 minutes drive. And if you want to go to the Shenton Way or the Central Business District, less than 10 minutes. For that matter, if you want to go to an MRT at a very leisurely pace, it is going to take you less than 10 minutes. What more strong proposition you need? In fact, that's what I felt, that in 2015, of all the products that have been come out so far and those going to come, this product by location is the most superior. And coupled with the current buyer's market, if it is all fall in place, high probability your rental yield are expected to be 4 or close to 4 or even more than 4%. And that's a very strong proposition to consider. Therefore, in all investment, some of the key things that we will have to take note here is this: are we entering at the right price? And number 2, is there an upside in the long term? And I think PrincipalGarden, with its sizing, even with some private leave for certain particular units and all other things put together, PrincipalGarden is definitely going to be a strong proposition. All I want you to do here is this: please speak to any of my PropNext sales people. They are endowed with a lot of information and training. In fact, they have got a lot of the floor plans, the updates and all other things. Speak to them, they will guide you through. And I want you to do your own due diligence, because in that area there are few other already launched products. But I think Principal Garden stand out from its location compared to even the many other unsold units that are available. So don't give it a miss. Do your due diligence, take your time, but don't miss that opportunity of investing in a product that has got a greater upside, and you will not regret. With that, wishing all of you the very best and happy in your investment journey.